Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for a powerful mini PC in 2026 for gaming, business, or everyday multitasking? In this video, we are counting down the top 5 best mini PCs on AliExpress 2026, from budget performers to high-end gaming machines. Watch until the end to find the best one for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's go! Number 1. Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7 6800H, 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD. This mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 6800H with 8 cores and 16 threads. It comes with 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD, and Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. It also supports triple 4K display output. This is a strong all-around mini PC. The Ryzen 7 6800H delivers excellent performance for office tasks, coding, multitasking, content creation, and even light gaming thanks to the integrated Radeon 680M graphics. The 32GB RAM ensures smooth performance even with multiple apps running. Pros: powerful 8-core 16-thread processor, large 32GB RAM for heavy multitasking, triple 4K display support, compact and professional design. A great choice for professionals, business users, and productivity-focused setups. Number 2. MINISFORUM UM790 Pro, Ryzen 9 7940HS. The MINISFORUM UM790 Pro features the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS with DDR5 5600 MHz memory support, USB 4 connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, and Windows 11. This is one of the most powerful mini PCs without a dedicated GPU. The Ryzen 9 7940HS offers outstanding performance for 4K video editing, programming, virtualization, and heavy multitasking. The integrated Radeon 780M graphics can even handle modern games at 1080p on medium settings. Pros: high-end Ryzen 9 processor, fast DDR5 memory support, USB 4 and Wi-Fi 6E, excellent thermal performance. Best high-performance mini PC for power users and creators who do not need a dedicated GPU. Number 3. FIREBAT A6. The FIREBAT A6 comes with AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS, 16GB LPDDR5 RAM, 512GB SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and 4K display support. This model offers excellent value for money. It handles daily tasks, streaming, office work, and light gaming smoothly. It's a strong mid-range option for users who want good performance at a reasonable price. Pros: good price to performance ratio, efficient and compact design, 4K display support, a solid mid-range mini PC for home and office users. Number 4. Gaming Mini PC F10 with RTX 4060 or 4070 with Intel i9. This gaming mini PC F10 comes with NVIDIA RTX 4060 or RTX 4070 graphics and high-end Intel i9 processors such as i9-13900HX, 13900H, or 12900H. It runs Windows 11 and supports Wi-Fi 6. This is a true compact gaming powerhouse. With a dedicated RTX graphics, it can run AAA games at high settings, handle 3D rendering, video editing, streaming, and heavy creative workloads. It delivers near desktop-level performance in a smaller form factor. Pros: dedicated RTX graphics card, high-end Intel i9 processors, excellent gaming and creative performance, future-ready hardware. Best choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals who need maximum performance. Number 5. FIREBAT F1. The FIREBAT F1 is powered by Ryzen 5 7640HS with 16GB DDR5 RAM, 512GB SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and Windows 11. This is a budget-friendly modern mini PC with strong everyday performance. It's ideal for students, home users, and small office setups. It handles web browsing, office software, media streaming, and light multitasking smoothly. Pros: affordable price, DDR5 memory, compact and portable, good everyday performance. That was the top 5 best mini PCs on AliExpress 2026. If you want maximum performance without a dedicated GPU, choose the MINISFORUM UM790 Pro. If you're a gamer, the RTX 4060 or 4070 gaming mini PC F10 is the best option. For budget buyers, the FIREBAT F1 or FIREBAT A6 are excellent value choices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which mini PC you would choose.